What you doing now, Dave?
Getting ready to add a new gate valve to my waste tank.
Why?
Well, the one that's in there isn't working real good. It won't close all the way, so you have like a dripping of honey, we'll call it, out of the tube.
We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our 2 K&N motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video.
And when you go to open that tube, it's full. So you get a little surprise when you go to hook up your sewer lines. So this will stop it.
So what are you doing to prepare?
Well, I'm getting dressed for battle. Got my bump cap that Steve gave me. Keep the noggin good. And then I got my arm protectors that I came up with. And what you do is that's just a piece of cutting board material that you use on countertops and some sleeves.
You just cut those down to fit your arms in.
Yeah, cut them down to fit my arms. I just put it in the sleeve and then pull the sleeve on.
Oh.
And it stops me from getting all the scratches, cuts, and dings. And
Gonna want those, aren't you?
oh yeah. Ready to do this?
Mm-hmm.
I'm an RV proctologist.
Get out your trusty carpet.
Yep.
With your bucket.
See what kind of fun and games. Oh yeah.
Oh. So that's what you would capture when you go to do a dump?
Yep.
The dump station.
Woo. Oh, that right.
It ain't me.
Get a whiff,
Oh,
baby. Get a whiff.
grief. Get that out of here.
I got my little buzz saw here.
Hey, I'm downwind. This isn't fair.
So am I. Conveniently, I have an outlet right there.
Mm-hmm.
As the edge of this fitting, I'm going to use that, go all the way around it, so it's straight when I cut it off. Yummy. There's the yummy stuff. Mm.
What have you been eating? Just getting the burrs off?
Yeah. First, we put a little cleaner primer on it.
What does that stuff do?
Cleans and primes the surface for the glue.
What do you got, like a dual kit materials that you're using there?
Well, that's the cleaner primer. This is the actual glue. Go around here like that.
How long does this stuff take to set?
Pretty instantaneous.
Just so you know, there's liquid
Yeah, I see
dripping.
that. And then we put that on, and we go like that.
Oh, you can leave it sideways.
that's about it. Right there.
And then we'll get to test it out because we are in a no sewer location.
Yummy. Already christened. Oh, you got more paper towels? I'll shove some up in there.
Okay, hang on. Is there another way you could have fixed this?
Yeah.
What would that have been?
Go in there, inside the underbelly of the RV, and take that valve all apart in there.
Oh.
Which would be labor intensive.
Mm-hmm.
Or just do this.
And when the slide comes in, that is not going to be an issue.
Nope. There it is.
Okay, dumb question, but jumping down the road, is that thing going to come open?
That's why there's a cap on it.
Just in case?
Mm-hmm.
How many beers? That didn't take very long.
Oh, that's 5 beers.
Oh, come on.
Hazardous duty.
Oh. That's true. I guess I get an gnarly mule, huh?
Yeah. And you get an early mule. Plus you got to dispose of that.
Not me. That's beer number 6.
All right. Now that I finished my job, take off my arm protectors. And those are old cuts and bruises. And because I wasn't wearing my arm protectors
In the past?
in the past. And take this one off. Maybe. Look at that. No cuts, no bruises.
How's your head?
Clean head.
All right.
Look at that. That's an extra beer, so that makes it a flat 6-pack.
Very good.
4 for doing the job, 1 for hazardous pain, 1 for not bleeding. There you go.
Well, let's try out that new valve. Hey, all right. There it goes. There was a bit in there.
Oh yeah. Ooh.
Push the valves back in.
Yeah. And then we just
Close that. Off you go. All clean. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.